Hey, what's up, everybody? I got a 06 4500 and we're doing a fuel pump. So this is what the new fuel pump looks like right here. Now to get to it, all you gotta do is lift up the back seat. It's right up under the back seat. Now I got it little propped up right here, but if you want to take it out, there's four 15mm bolts that hold on these little hangers. There's one right here, two in the middle, and then another one all at the far end, but I just propped it up. It's right up underneath this cover. Just pull it up, these little pry bar to get that. Here's the retainer, or what's left of it, something that broke right there. You can either hit it with a back counterclockwise with a hammer, or I got this fuel pump removal tool to get that out right there. Now to get these off right here, this one right here, you just push it right here on the back. There's a little push tab right there, and this one right here, that's supposed to be the same way. Push it, but I had to go in through the back way and push the retainers backwards with this pick. You gotta take out the little lock right here. Now for this fuel pump, same thing. It's got those same kind of retainers. This is right here. You gotta release this one. There's another one down here also. So honestly, best thing what I did, you got your way, I got my way. All right, I broke it. You know what I'm saying? I just picked it up and pulled this out. You know what I'm saying? Because you're gonna replace it anyway. So what's the point? It don't matter if it break or not, right? All right. But what you don't want to break is that line going in here, and that line that goes in here. You don't want to break those. Okay? So you can break this right here. That's all right. And just get that line off the back there, and then this right here. But after you break it, it's gonna be easy to get the lines, you know. So that's what I did right there. All right. So when you're putting it back in, you want to put this line on. It's just a push. All you do is just push it on, push that one right on right there, and then that's it. That's, you know what I'm saying. You can replace the gasket. Comes with a new gasket. A lot of times it's really hard to put the new gasket in, but if you don't put it in, it's probably gonna smell like gas. So try to get that new gasket on. I put like lubrication down a lot of time on top of it, so it'll go on pretty easy. All right, but that's a 06 4500. Thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.